video will go over how to download Ghidra and its dependencies for Windows 10 and to create a PowerShell alias to be able to open up or run the Ghidra batch file from any PowerShell session. First, we'll need to download the latest Java Development Kit, or JDK. So we'll navigate to this link here, which is oracle.com/Java. Copy this link. And this will bring you to Java Downloads. We'll scroll down to see JDK 22. We'll see the Operating Systems tabs. We'll select Windows. You'll see the x64 installer. We will double click that link to begin the download of the installer.exe. And select yes. Select yes. Yep. Continue. Alright, select next, and this will show you the path where the installer will place your JDK 22 files, program files, Java, JDK 22. Select next. Alright, now the latest JDK 22 is installed in your system. Close this. Exit out. Our next step will be to navigate to the Ghidra GitHub and download the latest Ghidra package. Let's copy this link. Select download from GitHub. We'll find the latest Ghidra release, which is 11.1.2. And scroll down and find the public.zip package, and that's what we will want to download. Once your download's complete, you'll want to extract the package to your preferred location on your file system. You can open up the package and you'll find that Ghidra isn't an executable, but it uses a .bat or batch file to run the program. Once that's complete, you can go into the package, execute the batch file, and it'll open up the program. If there were any errors or the JDK was not successfully installed, it would throw an error here. Next, we'll go into creating an alias to execute the program from the command line. Next, we'll create a simple PowerShell alias to execute the Ghidra.bat file for us. So we'll go to our profile.ps1. We'll open up a notepad, and we're going to add a simple function called run tac Ghidra. And this will just execute the path to our Ghidra run.batch file. And then we'll define an alias or set alias G to call the function run Ghidra. And every time we open up a PowerShell terminal, this script is ran. So this alias will stay with it. Here we'll do a dot profile, and that'll simply source the changes we made so that we'll be able to utilize that alias within the current PowerShell session. And as you can see, we'll enter G, and it executes the Ghidra run.batch file.